So my name is Linsey de Winter. My son, who's 12 years old. We live in the Netherlands, and I do see a huge need for children to grow their analytics skills. So the one-on-one is really a luxury. Normally these kind of classes are with 20 kids in a class. At school they're with 43 kids in one class nowadays. So he gets the attention and can learn at his own speed. So that's very beneficial. And he really builds up a nice bond and learning relationship with his teacher. So it's also very valuable. Cuemath really works. Try it out.